Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tesla yesterday pumped on the news that Elon Musk got his pay package, got his vote. And then yesterday was the Tesla shareholder meeting a few hours ago. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to watch it and I'll share it on my Twitter. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We'll jump into Bitcoin and I'll try to do what altcoins I'm holding. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. I'm in the ocean, so, okay, in. The market got hammered yesterday. A lot of people got tricked. Tesla was up 3%, GME was up 14%, and Roaring Kitty closed his calls. He now holds all of it in GME stock. He has like $250 or $240 million in GME. Nvidia's up 3%, Tesla was up 3%. It was up at 1.6%, but then pulled back. However, it is forming a big descending inverse head and shoulders here. If you look on the weekly charts, you can see this big inverse head and shoulders on this major yellow trend line. But a lot of people pulled out support from Elon when he started to talk about mainstream media and like what was happening in the media. So it looks like Tesla did suffer after Elon has been like tweeting and stuff like this. So he kind of, he's like caused a lot of problems for himself. However, I would be very cautious closing out here. Why? Because you can see this huge pattern forming on Tesla. Huge inverse head and shoulders forming here. Usually head and shoulders, they move like this. This is a normal this is a normal head and shoulders pattern. What Bitcoin's doing to everyone wrecking them right now, this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is what I think is going to happen to Tesla. And it's coming in this big symmetrical triangle. So you see it builds pressure, and then breaks out. It's getting ready. It already launched off the bottom, in my opinion. We were buying it at 141, and now it's, look at it, broke out of this descending triangle, but pulled back in. Very interesting. Broke out, and then pulled back in. Tesla, interesting. But that should have shown more strength with all that good news. Very weird that it didn't. So you got to be very cautious there, actually. I think I'm going to deleverage my Tesla position. No, okay, it's quite near the bottom, but be cautious. There's something wrong there. The yellow trend line, this is Bitcoin. For the last few months, since October, it's been moving on this yellow trend line. If Bitcoin pulls back to this yellow trend line, which it should, that yellow trend line would line up at, I would say, looks like it's moving sideways. So even if it does pull back to the yellow trend line, you can see Bitcoin double topped, and I warned everyone about this. Hopefully you listen. But it looks clear double top, and I don't think this yellow trend line is going to hold, to be honest. I would be very cautious. I think Bitcoin can come to 44 if it doesn't hold that yellow trend line. Clear double top and volume just dropping. Look at this volume. I've been warning about this for weeks, everyone. I sold in March. If you remember, I sold nearly everything, and you can see that it's just trending down the volume. Easy, I'm telling you, easy, it's going to come to this yellow trend line. I would be very cautious. It can even come to, I would be very cautious, it can come to 44K. Should I even catch the bounce at 63? I've got trades at 63 to catch the bounce. Okay, guys, I'm just going to flow. Yeah, we still have a bull flag here, but you can see, and the volume very weak. I showed you on the weekly. I can just catch the bounce at 63 and then sell it, but I have to sell it quickly once I catch the bounce. At 59, I can go heavier long, catch a very big bounce there, and then sell it. But I think it's going to just straight through 63, to be honest. If you've seen people panic on Bitcoin, it just drops massively. I'm going to close my long at 63. So over on my Bybit, this is my account, 586. Been dropping the last month from 641. I took out 20K to seed invest Elon Musk AI company. This was 920. We reached the peak back in March, 28th of March. And I closed all my positions on crypto. And I have pulled out a few hundred, like 100 and something thousand in spending on this account. So still up massively from 150. But probably lost 200. No, I pulled out maybe 200K. So probably lost 100 from the top, 920. That was the best time to get out when I warned everyone in March, and it double topped. Okay, so I've got longs on Bitcoin at 63. You see, to catch a 3 Bitcoin long to just catch the bounce. But I think it's going to nuke through there, and there's going to be mega panic. So I'm going to modify this. When there's mega panic, 58K is my target to buy. And I'm going to do it with a bigger position. So I'm going to buy 10 Bitcoin at 58K. Okay, let's see what it, actually, let's close it. 10 Bitcoin at 58K. Let's see how much it's going to cost me. So if I do 10 Bitcoin at 58K, open long, 10 Bitcoin, 58K, order cost will cost me $30,000. The value will be 600K. Beautiful. Boom. Okay, that order is set. And I've got 1 million Doge at 11 cents. But I think Doge is also coming down to... Doge is also coming down. Wait, let me try and find it. Doge. BNB, look at also BNB dropped massively. Guys, I think the top, I literally called the top on March. I think. It's everything breaking down in volume. Nothing's bouncing with big volume, you know. Everything's selling off. Doge looked like it was breaking out, failed, came back in, and I warned everyone it's playing out exactly as I said. Everything actually, because I was warning everyone for ages about this rising wedge on Bitcoin and Doge and a lot of positions. Target for Doge is 11 cents. Yeah. Already from the top though, if you sold with me back in March when I made those videos, warning, sell everything, we're now 40% down since I sold. 40% down. This is on my X. I've got 85,400 followers. For some reason, I'm shadow banned. I go up 1,000 followers and down 1,000 followers every day, but I stay for like 1 year at 85,000. Everyone, if you can message at Twitter, at X, at Elon Musk on my post, say unban him, unshadow ban him, that would be amazing. 5,004 of you, I told you yesterday, 5,400 people on this Twitter watched, and on YouTube it was like 6,000 people. Bitcoin pumping, but there is something dangerous everyone is missing. I warned everyone. Hopefully you didn't get trapped in that pump yet. This was when I sold, 17th of March, Bitcoin and Doge warning. I sold, and in that video I go over the reasons I sold, what's happening, etc. And that was exactly, you see here, I sold. What was the date of that post? 17th of March. So I sold here. I sold here on Doge and Bitcoin here, and then I bought here, and then I sold here, and then it's been bleeding out. I think 11 is a good place to go long on Doge, but it could, yeah, there's going to be fear, guys. Everyone, there's going to be big fear in the markets with it dropping like this. Now everyone's about to panic sell. I should have closed out more positions on things that pumped. I didn't go into enough cash. Maybe I do it now. 1 Bitcoin, yeah, I can deleverage out more. I mean, I reduced my world, my pocket, my Doge, I reduced it a lot, 25K, 16K. Like, if you look at percentage of portfolio, I reduced those ones that I think were going to drop a lot. Like, Bitcoin 14%, USD 50%, MCRT 16%, Uni I'd reduced to 7%, Doge 5%, Pocket 3%, World 2% before these drops. So I'm not dropping much as the market is dropping actually, because I reduced my positions. But Bitcoin can panic sell 58. Why do I hold it? Okay, let's cut it in half. Let's cut this in half. Oh, okay, let's do 25% reduction. So I'm going to sell 0.26 Bitcoin, 17K. That order is there. Oh, it already executed. Whoa, that was instant. Weird. So there's a lot of sell pressure on Bitcoin right now. I've got 50K. Uniswap is holding, but I think if the market corrects, it's going to also drop. So better I sell it now and then buy it back after the market corrects. But Uniswap has volume. But look, it's failing as well. It should have broke out here, you see? We had this descending triangle. Builds pressure. It should have broken out here, but it's like failing back in. But big cup and handle on Uniswap. Uniswap looks quite strong because it pumped to 17 and pulled back to 10. But you can see the main trend line again, everyone. You all see these main trend lines. Keep an eye out for these main trend lines. The main trend line says Uniswap should come down to $7.50, $7.10. If you look at this main trend line, $7.40 possible. So, okay, I'm going to reduce Uniswap because let's sell 50% of Uniswap. Let's sell 5,000 now. All right. Let's sell 5,000 5,000 now, 497. And then let's sell 5,000 a bit higher. $5,000. How much will that reduce by? Oops. 5,000, so it'll be 26,000. No, I need to reduce more. Okay, another 5,000. These orders are executing, by the way. And I would do one more 5,000 a bit higher up. Yeah, let's do it there. 5,000. Well, it's fluctuating a lot. So now I've reduced my Uniswap. I've reduced Uniswap to 16,000. Now let's Doge. Let's check out Doge. Okay, wait. Now I need to set buy orders for Uniswap at $7.40. So I've now got very reduced positions of Uniswap. Now I've got 3%. Everything is 3 Bitcoin, 10% Doge, 5% Pocket, 3% World. I can now put buy orders for Uniswap. So I've got buy orders at $9. Not good price to do it. I think everything's going to pull back. So I'm going to do it where I put $7.40. $7.40. I'm going to buy $30,000 worth of Uniswap. Buy $7.40, $30,000 worth of Uniswap at $7.40. Confirm. Pocket. Now let's set my orders for Doge first. So Doge right now I've got 5% in Doge. So I'm holding in Doge 25K. Not much. But let's check out what's going to happen. Doge 14.8 looks terrible. Yeah, it looks like it's going to drop, like everything. Luckily I reduced my position. Remember, I reduced my positions here, guys. So even though I'm holding 25K and it dropped, I massively reduced the positions. But it doesn't look like it's going to stop till 11 cents, 11.3. And I've got buy orders for Doge at 11 cents. For 181,000 Doge, which would be $18,000. So I'll modify that. We're going to go to $300,000. At least 30K I'll buy at 11 cents. Okay, let's do 150. Okay, keep it as it is. So I keep it as it is, 181. Because then I can ladder in as it comes down. Better not just go heavy and then the whole market just destroys, you know. If you catch the top, you got to be careful going back in until the bottom is very strong. You'll know the bottom is in. So Uniswap $7.40, Doge I've got at 11 cents, and I've got a long on Doge at 1 million long at 11 cents. There'll be a bounce there, definitely. Okay, what else we've got? So now Pocket 17K. Lucky I reduced Pocket, fell massively. Let's check out Pocket. 9 cents. Whoa, lucky I canceled my buy orders as well. No supports, no strong supports, just free falling. Everything, the whole market, all coins free fell after I called the top, actually 0.077. Okay. Top is in, everyone. Not recovering for a while. So 0.007 is where it's going to fall to. Damn. How much did I have? I reduced it a lot. I only had 17K, but it's going to free fall more. It looks like... Shit. Should have closed everything when I called it, huh? I'm going to reduce more to 12K. Actually, I'm going to... 5K here. Let's sell 5K. Then I'm going to sell another 5K a bit higher in case there's a bounce. And then I'm going to buy not till 0.07. And even big support I wouldn't even say is there. Guys, there's going to be a lot of panic. 0.063. So I can buy at 0.063. Modify. Buy at 0.063. And I'll buy 200,000. So it's like... But still, I wouldn't. Actually. I'll try to see how the market reacts, but I want to pick it up. I like Pocket for the long term. Okay, so I've got Pocket order, Doge order, Uniswap order, World. Let's check out. I've got World at $3. I already did that. That's my updates in the market, everyone. If you want to learn what you're doing, what I'm doing, and understand all of this in depth, if you haven't taken my courses, you're gambling pretty much. You have to go underneath, take the courses to understand. Bybit is the exchange I use. Get that bonus, and BingX is also a good one. Binance is a good one. And the courses, take the Crypto Master course to learn all of this, and the Stock Guru Master course for stocks, and the Laws of Money for Laws of Money courses, just lessons as from multimillionaire. And then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. This was my video while I'm in the water. Wow, there's sunrise. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. It's quite hard to record actually with wet hands. Next time I swim, I have to keep my hands dry. And what I'm going to do now is edit this video and then load it. Be cautious, everyone. If I'm seeing all of this, I got out of a lot of positions, luckily, because my account already would have been hammered if I didn't get out so much. It would be much, much worse. I would be at like 200K, and it's almost erased all the gains for everyone, except for Bitcoin is holding, but I think not. I warned everyone March to get out. I've been warning everyone for the last few weeks. Hopefully you listened. Now it's going to be a panic sell-off. Shit. Hopefully I'm wrong. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. This is James from Crypto Guru. Unfortunately, this is the news. Hopefully Bitcoin gets a lot of volume. Hopefully there's a lot of alt volume coming in. But it looks pretty bad with volumes dropping off and the price just constantly bleeding on everything. There's going to be a point where everyone just tries to panic sell. And I think that's coming actually today. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Be safe out there. And I'll see you. Protect your rule number 1 by Warren Buffett. Don't lose money. Rule number 2. Don't forget rule number 1. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.